Okay students, in this class we are going to see parallel combination of rods. In the last video we discussed about series combination of rods. In this section we are going to see parallel combination of rods. You see these diagrams. In these diagrams all n different rods are given. So n different rods are given and each has a different area A1, A2 and different thermal conductivity K1, K2 and up so Km. And it is compared like electricity, and here H1, H2, Hn, the heat flow rate. So the equivalent, when parallel combination, the resistance, equivalent resistance will be, what is the equivalent resistance? 1 by R1 is equal to, 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus and so on plus 1 by Rn. Resistance, what is the resistance? R is equal to L by Ka. So L in a parallel combination, series length can be a different value. In parallel combination, if you see, observe, almost all the lengths are equal. Krishna, all the lengths will be equal, L and everywhere the length will be same, because parallel combination means rod has to fit parallelly. Okay, so or else you can assume L1, L2, L3 like that. No, nothing to worry. At the end you will come to know L1, L2, L3 everything is same. L1 by K1 A1. So 1 by R equivalent is equal to L1 by K1 A1 plus K2 A2 by L2 plus and so on Kn An by Ln. This is what the equivalent resistance. Next, heat current in series combination, H1 is equal to H2 is equal to and so on Hn. Now you just see here, there is something very important called Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law I am including here only. Whatever inflow of heat must be equal to outflow at a junction point, at the junction. Sir, what is a junction here? Junction is the point here. You just see here n resistors are connected. The point it is coming here. This point where it is divided into multiple points is called junction. Okay, junction. So current in must be equal to out. What is the in? H must be equal to, this is important law, note down carefully. So H must be equal to, it is divided into n parts, H1 plus H2 plus and so on plus Hn. Okay, what is the heat for all the values? H1 is equal to, let's write H1. What is the H1? H1 is equal to, here H1 is equal to delta T by R1. So what is the temperature here? T1. What is the temperature here? T2. So for all the cases temperature is same, T1 minus T2 by R1. H2 also T1 minus T2 by R2. So let's write H1 is equal to T1 minus T2 by R1, T1 minus T2 by R2 plus and so on plus T1 minus T2 by Rn. It is equal to T1 minus T2 by R equivalent. So T1 minus T2 gets cancelled. So you will get a first expression. So equivalent resistance is there now. 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1. So that expression you will get from here. Okay. So next, this is a one part. Next, equivalent thermal conductivity. Equivalent thermal conductivity. In the equivalent thermal conductivity, how the rods are, say one rod is placed here, another rod is placed, and different rods, multiple rods are placed one over another between the same temperature difference, T1 and another is T2. So in an equivalent thermal conductivity, first of all we should know L equivalent. L equivalent becomes, if L1, L2, L3, So both almost all the lengths will be equal every case, many of the cases, rarely the lengths will be different. So L equivalent will be L1 plus L2 plus L3 by 3, or up to L1 plus L2 plus and so on. There n rods are there, plus Ln by n. So A is equal to, A equivalent is equal to, say it has area A1, A2, A3. So area becomes A1 plus A2 plus and so on plus An. Okay, this is exactly opposite for series connection. Then R equivalent is equal to K equivalent into A equivalent by L equivalent is equal to K1 A1 by L1 plus K2 A2 by L2 plus and so on plus Kn Ln by Kn An by Ln. Okay, now we are substituting the limits. K equivalent will be, if we send L equivalent by A equivalent into, so K1 by A1, K1 A1 by L1 plus and so on up to Kn An by Ln. So some special cases we are going to discuss. If A1 is equal to A2 is equal to and so on is equal to An, which is equal to A, L1 is equal to L2 is equal to and so on is equal to Ln is equal to L, then what is the value of K equivalent? K equivalent is equal to, L equivalent will be sum of the all lengths, you remember it is will be, so total length, so L equivalent is equal to NL by N, NL by N, N gets cancelled, L equivalent becomes L. A equivalent becomes sum of all the A1 plus A2 plus and so on, it becomes N into A. So A equivalent is equal to, I am writing L by A equivalent to N into A. So K1 A1 is A by L plus K2 A by L plus and so on plus Kn A by L. So it will be A gets A, L, everywhere gets cancelled. So K equivalent becomes K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus and so on plus Kn by N. So this is the equivalent thermal conductivity for the combination in a parallelly combined system. Thank you.